This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. In this video, I want to show you about one of our exclusive products for Dynamics 365 and Power Apps, and it's called Link Views. Here in our production system, we set up Link Views and gave it the name Procedure Center. So what is Link Views? Link Views is something we set up in our original P2 CRM system years ago, really for internal purposes, and I personally wanted it here. It's just a place to keep your stuff. Things like step-by-step instructions that you may not do every day. We could put reports here, we could put views, PDFs, pretty much anything you need. For example, here is a process we follow for scheduling refreshes, data refreshes in Power BI. We set this up as a video that we store in Microsoft Stream. It's one click away. Here's a Word document, Dynamics 365 Cheats. It's just a bunch of notes I've collected over the years on how to do certain procedures in the Dataverse. Over here, there are several procedures we've set up in the Power Platform, and these are all done in guides. So that's guide with two Ds. It's a service that lets you easily create step-by-step instructions in either video format or in printed format. And over here, we have some Excel documents. Here's one on figuring out how much capacity you get with different licensing on Power Apps. So it's great because we could put all of our information here. And as I mentioned, that information could be in the form of any URL, a Power BI report, a Dynamics 365 view would work here, PDFs, Word documents, pretty much anything you need. It's super easy to set up too. If I go down here to lookup tables, and then go over to the link view categories, here's all the link view categories that you saw on that previous screen. And they're alphabetized. But if I sort by column, and then hold Shift and sort by sort order, this will match up to what we have over here on this screen. If I click inside one of these categories, I can see all of the links that have been set up down here. And you can see some are URLs, some are stream videos. If I go into one of those, I can see the name of the link goes here, which category it falls under, what type is it, it's either a stream or a URL, where it lives, that could be on our internal SharePoint site or any URL, an optional description, and the sort order. And that's it. We have clients that use link views for several different reasons. Internal employee documents might be one reason. We have a client that has several reports, so they put them there. And sometimes those reports are Power BI reports, sometimes they're Excel, and sometimes they're just views. They're all in the same place. And as you can see, we use it for our internal how-tos. Link Views is a product we include in our P2 Control Layer offering, as well as for all managed services. If you'd like to learn more, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.